to do a quick rundown of commodities here. Try and do it in 2 videos. 5 minutes. All right. CRB index. What we need now is to see some follow through on the commodities. Each individual index will vary. New Zealand dollar, same thing. These are weeklies. I'll break them down into dailies too. Continue on. This isn't very structured pattern, so if you're long, I'd be a covered call writer to start getting out of this stuff. Dollar, the same thing. I assume we're going to continue lower, at least swipe down in this area. That's 300 basis points away. But I have to look past this, buy somewhere down in here, say under 94, 93, 94. Start buying down in here, however you want to do it. I have to look past this, and then 103, 108, 109. I have to look past that, okay? Because as you can see here, this is the sideways pattern. This is the accumulation pattern, basing, and then it took off. Here's the second basing pattern. But anything I scoop up here, I'm beginning to get 2-year lows and stuff on pricing, 2-3-year lows kind of thing. All right, so I have to look. I have to accumulate down under here, and then look at this going 2018, 2019 kind of thing. All right, that's the buck. Australian dollar, same thing, more follow through. This one should have a little better. This over Aussie over Kiwi, I guess, is how you'd have to play that spread. That's 108 today, I believe. British pound, same thing, follow through with oil, getting back into this area here, sideways area, 148. I gotta believe it's gonna hold for now, just due to the oil thing and what have you. I'm not too privy on economics, which is okay, which is fine because I'm just supposed to be looking at the chart. I don't care if it rained. And why did it rain, but yet umbrella sales dropped? No problem. All right, and euro, I marked these up today. Just a small trend line out here, 117 and then 126. Like I said before, it can happen, right? That would cause a lot of pain, right? 117, 126 in the euro, that would cause some pain. And then it brings us back over to our yen. These are weekly bars, correctamundo, yeah. So we have a hell of a hook here. And this is the story here. All right, you're gun it hard kind of thing. You can actually go back and get 3-4 year highs within a small period of time. All right, this also would cause some pain. This would also be quite interesting in the U.S. debt market at L. So at best here we have a shoulder, a head, and another shoulder, an inverted head and shoulders. And I believe I was looking for U.S. yen to 104 by St. Patty's Day. So that was my attention grabber. All right, so that's how I look at it. When it gets down to, if it goes below 116, I'll further the conversation. Swiss franc, any strength on the Swiss franc, buy into it. I could buy short Swiss franc forever. Would be a lifetime, that kind of. That's how I look at it. Currency markets, etc., etc. Remember though, gold can. I did mention 1400 on the gold market. So Brent crude, same thing. Just move it into this area. It's just settling back to normalcy. You do have the oversold on unbalanced volume down here too. So what I say then is we might have an intermediate low here. Like I mentioned before, when the Saudis cratered oil prices in '86, the low wasn't revisited again until like 12 years later. All right, but right before the run in